Okay, guys, this evening, this night, we're gonna do like a quick unboxing and check out this solar emergency charging light, which have like a solar array that will allow you to charge the emergency light. As you can see, it's round with four lights, one each side plus one in the bottom. Can be opened like this way to give you like a focus light down, or you can use it in this way where you're gonna have like all around type of light and a hanger in the top. This is how the box came, a little bit beat up on the shipping because it was cheap in just a plastic bag. Nothing got broke, which is good, so let's go ahead. It's on, whoops, there's a focus allowed. Some examples: camping, emergency side road that you need to look at it. So let's see it. So this is how it comes. You open it here. It comes only in a little bit of bubble wrap. Oops, sorry guys. Inside the box you're gonna have the light itself. You're gonna have the light itself. Put it here for right now, and you're gonna have a special charging cable. Use that tiny plug there you see there. So for right now, let's put it here. Let's get this plastic out of the way. Let's put it here. So the light itself is pretty neat. You can hang it out like in this condition, and then you get like a more all-around type of light, or you can just open it up like this and open it and click it. Click it here, and then you just put it like this, which allow you to centralize all the light pointing down. So in the stuff that we have like LED indicator panel here. Let's put some light here so we can read it. Somebody want to read it? Here we go. So under this dust cover, you have the charging port. This is the power button. This is the LED, the solar panel for charging, and the little tiny hook so you can hook it up, outside in your tent or the patio, whatever you want to use this in for. So one nice thing about it is that actually the solar panel works pretty decent. As soon as you put it near to the light here in the bench, as you can see, he's trying to charge the light, but it's already fully charged. I indicate you that it's fully charged. If it was not charging, the LED will be blinking, indicating that it's charging. So in order to test it out brightness, we're gonna go to this room, which is at nighttime here, and the room is totally dark. So have 5 settings. This is the first settings. It's the high intensity brightness, which is, you can see, it pretty light up pretty decently my whole living room. Then you have like a less intensity settings. I don't know if you can notice in the camera how it dim a little bit. Then one more with attenuate the light even more. Then you have one that is like a flashing strobe, you want to call it, pretty annoying by the way. Then you have another one with flash slower, like interval pattern, and then the next one is just off. As you can see, the living room is totally dark. So in general, it's not bad. It's not terrible, to be honest. I already took my apart. I did a couple upgrades because I bought it off eBay. It cost me like $12. Now this one specifically came with this battery, which is a recycled battery. I don't know if you guys can notice there. See if the camera can focus, but you can see that this battery was previously welded, so that means that they recycled this battery from somewhere else, and they use it in here because it was attached to the wiring in the lamp with like a regular soldering, like electronic soldering, not the contact welding on both sides. I tested the battery. The battery really was not that terrible. It was like a 1600 milliamps. I couldn't find out nothing about what type of battery is it because you can barely read the specifications. So not terrible. But I changed the battery, internal battery. I did a battery pack like this. And basically took two good 2500 milliamp hour batteries and parallel, so that's 5000 milliamp batteries, so it should last me for a while because my intention is using it in a place where the electricity go in and out for several hours. So I charge it to the day, and then nighttime I can use it whatever I want. So if the original battery is 1600 milliamps and supposed to give you like a 3 or 4 hours, I assume the one should give you hell more. So okay guys, this is basic what it is. It's cheap plastic, but I think that do the trick. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel. I will be posting another video where I will take it apart. I will show you guys what I did. I will show you guys the electronics, all the guts of the scene, and how to take it apart, just to see what we have inside, because that is the part that I like, to see what is inside these scenes. So have a wonderful night, and I hope that you enjoyed this quick video.